How to install MIUI 12 on a rooted Poco F1 using TWRP recovery. Hey peeps, what's up? MUNCHY here, back with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can install the official stable MIUI 12 on the Poco F1 if you are rooted and have a custom recovery installed like TWRP. As you can see, I do have the Poco F1 and I am running MIUI 11.0.9.0 based on Android 10. Now what are the prerequisites for this video? Well, of course, you need to have a custom recovery installed, and the version of TWRP which I am using is linked in the description of this video. And since you have TWRP, you should also have an unlocked bootloader. Next up, make sure your battery is charged at least 50 to 60%. Do not do this process if your battery is at 20 or 30%. Also make sure you have a backup of all your pictures, videos, and anything important which you have on your device. Next up are the links of MIUI 12 safe. Well, the links are directly from Xiaomi's servers and that is as safe as it gets. Next question I get a lot is, I haven't gotten the update, when will I get it? Well, either you can wait for Xiaomi to send you out the update as it is sent out in batches, or if you do not have TWRP recovery and you do not have root, you can use the video which is linked in the pinned comment to download and install the update manually. Another question which I get a lot is, oh, I got the OTA update and I dismissed it. 15 minutes later I checked, it's not there. The answer remains the same. Either you can wait for Xiaomi to send the update to you again, or you can update it manually. If you have TWRP, use this video. If you do not have TWRP and you do not have an unlocked bootloader, use the video in the pinned comment. Next question about this video, are we going to lose our data? Well, as I mentioned earlier, I am on 11.0.9.0 MIUI 11 based on Android 10, and I am not going to perform a data wipe. We are going to try to do this without having to lose our data. But let us say you are on MIUI 10, then there are chances you might have to wipe your data, and those of you who are on a custom ROM, you will have to wipe your data. You do not have any other alternative. So we can go into the gallery application. You will see I have a picture of my friend Lord Vader. I also have the wallpapers application installed, and I also have the Color OS 7 live wallpaper which you can see on my screen right now. In case you want to know how to install this, again, the video for this is linked in the description of this video, and I am also rooted, so I have Magisk Manager installed, my device is rooted, and I also have a module installed. Now what are the files which we need? Well, all the files which we need are linked in the description of this video, and here are the files which you need. So for starters, you need the MIUI 12.0.2.0 recovery ROM file. This is around 2.08 GB. Then if your device is not encrypted, you need disable force encryption, and you need Magisk as well, so that TWRP recovery is not replaced with stock MI recovery. How do you know whether your device is encrypted or not? You can go into settings, password and security, and privacy. You will see for me encryption and credentials, it says phone not encrypted. This means I have to flash disable force encryption. Those of you who are on custom ROMs which are based on AOSP, you can go into settings, and once you are in settings, you can go into security, tap on advanced. You will see that encryption and credentials. As you can see, this is my Pixel 3, it is encrypted. So again, those of you who are encrypted, you do not, and I repeat, you do not have to download or flash disable force encryption. You have to install and download disable force encryption if and only if your device is not encrypted. Next thing we need to do, we'll go into settings, password and security, remove your password, fingerprint, and face unlock. Once that is done, you can go back, scroll down, go into Mi account and remove your Mi account. Now those of you who are on custom ROMs based on AOSP, you won't have the option of removing your Mi account. Then we'll go into accounts and sync and remove our Google account as well. Next we will open Magisk Manager, and we'll go into the modules section and disable all modules which you have installed. Again, you have to disable all the modules which you have installed. Once all of this is done, we are going to reboot our device once. And while the device is rebooting, Why are we removing all the accounts and security measures? We are doing this because we are updating to MIUI 12, or we are installing MIUI 12, and in case we run into any issues and we have to perform a data wipe, I don't want you to be locked out of your own device. That is the only reason why we are removing all the accounts and security measures. Now back into MIUI, we can unlock our device and open Magisk Manager, go into the modules section, make sure that the module is disabled. You can see it is not check marked anymore. We can also go into settings and confirm that all your accounts and password, pin, etc. were removed successfully. Once this is done, the next thing we need to do is boot into TWRP. For that, the first thing we need to do is turn off our device. Once the device is turned off, press and hold volume up and power button at the same time till you see the TWRP logo. Once we are booted into TWRP, we'll go into wipe, advanced wipe, and select Dalvik and cache. This is for those of you who do not want to wipe your data. And those of you who are on custom ROMs which are using AOSP or say Xiaomi EU or any other MIUI based custom ROM, you have to select Dalvik, cache, system, vendor, and data. Again, let me repeat myself. If you are on MIUI 11, the official builds, just select data and cache. We are going to swipe to wipe. Once that is done, tap on the home button, go into install. Now you need to navigate to the folder where you have downloaded all the files. In case you downloaded the files on your phone directly, they will be in the download folder. In my case, I have transferred them manually, so they are in the root directory. First file we're going to select is the official MIUI 12. Then if your device was not encrypted, again, if your device was not encrypted, add more zips and select disable force encryption. Last but not the least, we do need to select Magisk as well. And why are we selecting Magisk? Well, if you do not select Magisk, then when you boot into MIUI for the first time, your custom recovery like TWRP will be replaced with stock Mi recovery. So add more zips, select the Magisk file, and then swipe to confirm flash. Once all the files have flashed successfully, we can scroll up a little. So here it is, you can see it is flashing the MIUI 12, script succeeded, result was 1. Then we are flashing disable force encryption. Now for disable force encryption, make sure it is patching some fstab. As you can see, vendor/etc fstab is being patched, and then Magisk was also installed successfully. So we'll tap on the home button. Now in case fstab was not patched, go into mount, select vendor, and install the disable force encryption file one more time. Next up, all we need to do is reboot and then select system. And bam, there it is. We have the MIUI 12 boot animation on our Poco F1, which means our device is booting into MIUI 12. The first boot up will take some time and it should be a maximum of 5 minutes. So just wait for 5 minutes, and in case you're stuck in a boot loop for more than 5 minutes, boot back into TWRP, go into wipe, advanced wipe, select data, swipe to wipe, and then try rebooting one more time. If that also doesn't fix it, well, then the last option you have is to perform a format data from TWRP recovery. And there it is, we have booted into MIUI, and we can open the home screen and we are getting some information about MIUI 12. Let me skip all of this real quick. And now we can go into settings and then we'll go into about phone. Bam, here it is, MIUI 12.0.2.0 based on Android 10. My wallpaper of course was replaced by this static wallpaper from MIUI 12. However, if we go into gallery, you will see I still have the picture of my friend Lord Vader. I still have the wallpapers application installed, and I still have the Color OS 7 live wallpaper installed as well. And we can also go into settings, then we can go into password and security, privacy. Here it is, you will see that phone is still not encrypted, which means disable force encryption was flashed successfully and we did not have any data loss. You can also open Magisk, go into modules, and you will see that the module is still there, just that it is not active. So at this point, feel free to activate all your modules and reboot. And in case you get stuck in a boot loop because you have activated your Magisk modules, I do have a separate video showing you how to fix a boot loop caused by a Magisk module, and again that video can be found in the description and in the pinned comment on this video. And before I forget, as you can see that The wallpaper is no longer working as it is supposed to be. That is because of MIUI and Xiaomi and their crappy practices. So you can go into settings, apps, manage apps, search for this Color OS 7 live wallpaper, and then battery saver. You will see it has automatically selected MIUI battery saver, select no restrictions, and bam, there it is. You can see the wallpaper is now working like a boss. The application is able to access the gyroscope, and as you can see, the shadow of the earth on the moon is working absolutely fine whenever you move your device around. And there it is, peeps. That is how you install MIUI 12 on a rooted Poco F1 using a custom recovery like TWRP. And that will do it for this video. Hope my video helped you. Likes, shares and subscribes are appreciated. Feedback and comment more than welcome. See you when I see you.